I'm on an island, even when you're close. Can't take the silence. I'd rather be alone.
Good morning. Oops, sorry, just kicked her in the face. Good morning. It is Tuesday, April. Alexa, what day is it today?
It's Tuesday, 6th of April.
I'm gonna film today because why not? As you saw, I just woke up. Like literally just woke up. It's like 8:30. So I'm just gonna sit here and drink my coffee. So this is the Merit Cheek Color in the color Terracotta. I have been using it ever since I got it, every single day, because it's literally so easy, and I am not a professional in the slightest. I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest. Then this is the highlighting balm in the shade Kava. Everyone on Instagram on my photos is like, oh my god, you're glowing, which might be just because I'm happy, but it might also be because of this, honestly. I like glow like I've never seen before. So 10 out of 10 recommend. So this is what I'm wearing to the dry cleaners to go and get my coat, because then I can wear my coat and my scarf. Over this, I'll probably be warmer. And she's given up. Come on, let's go. Jacket has been acquired. It's for real the most beautiful day, and I'm really sad that I didn't bring my book because I didn't think that it would be like this nice out because it hasn't been. It's such a beautiful day. So beautiful. I honestly plan on staying out here the whole day. I don't plan on moving. So we just got home. I went to Organic Garage, which is like an organic grocery store in Liberty Village, because they have these like little pre-made lunches. My appetite in recent has diminished like an insane amount. Like I'm literally not hungry, and that's obviously not healthy. So I asked a couple of my friends like how to get my appetite back, and one of my friends suggested smoking, and I was like, oh my god, true. I gained so much weight when I was smoking. I might go to Tokyo Smoke today or somewhere and just pick some up and try that. Hi. Hi. Oh, big stretch. Hi. Okay, so I got home from my walk like a couple hours ago, to be honest, but my phone was dead, so I had to charge it before I could film again, obviously. So I brought Stella to the dog park, and we've come home now, and I am going to show like a little house tour before the sun goes down, basically. But yeah, this is so we're at my front door right now. And then how do I do this? So this is the front door. Right when you walk in, there's like this little entryway room. This is the washer dryer. I guess I can give you like a full intense tour. I have my Dyson there, and then the cord is right there, so it's convenient. My Dyson like different suctioners hanging up there. I have my bags hanging up there. This is my like closet. So here are all my things. Workout gear, random miscellaneous things. What is that? Oh, hats, towels, and then purses. And then these are sweaters, self-explanatory. I have stuff hung up. Then I have shoes down there. And then it goes 10 feet that way. So like everyone's like, oh my God, it's so inconvenient that this is like your only closet. But like that goes back 10 feet. So I have to like crawl in there, but I have stuff that I like never really use that often back there. I also have a storage locker downstairs where I like keep all of my seasonal things or like Christmas decorations, that kind of thing. So I have like way more than enough storage than I need. And everything's pretty well organized. Then you walk in, that's the bathroom, that's the living room, that's the bedroom. So this is the bathroom. Keep walking. This is the kitchen. So I have all full-size appliances, which is really nice, like a French door fridge. Every time I'm on YouTube, it's for a different apartment video. Full-size stove. It's literally huge, 4 burners, full microwave. Full-size dishwasher, super nice. Sink, Alexa, Nespresso, yeah. And then this is the living room. I still need a coffee table to go here, but I'm working with a friend who curates vintage furniture and pieces and things. This is the infamous fireplace. Oh my God, my plants are dying. Okay, that's embarrassing. Some candles, a little vase, candlestick holder, I'm not sure. These are all my shells from the last time I was in Niagara. There's the Queen of the Castle. So this is the bedroom. This is where the barn door was supposed to hang, but it's not. My mom had put a curtain. I kind of don't want it, so that's why it's flung over the railing. But I have to like unscrew this if I want to take it down, and I don't care that much, you know? So yeah, that's my bed. My Mejuri jewelry box, my book I'm currently reading, little eucalyptus. I have another little table over there too. And then this is the balcony section. So that's the patio. And that's my home. Deli and I live here, just the two of us. It's been really great. I love my new home, to be honest. I love it like so much. My phone's out of storage and I just had to delete everything. Okay, anyways, I wanted my house to be very like safe space, cozy, feel like me, just be a very like happy place. So my sheets are yellow and pink and flowery and like it feels very me, and I'm very, very happy and content here. I love being able to have my friends over. It's in the same neighborhood as I was in before because I still work here. My friends are still here. Stelly's friends are here. Stelly's daycare is here. I have no reason to leave the neighborhood. Stelly's currently sleeping behind me. It's 6:30 now. I'm going to probably find something to have for dinner and start editing this video so that way I can have it live. I hope you enjoyed this little house tour. I hope you enjoyed my little take you around with me today. Thanks so much for watching, and talk to you later. Bye.